Hi everyone, welcome to Happy Yarny. In this video, I'll guide you through making this lovely crocheted flower hair clip. This project is very simple and beginner friendly, so you can easily follow along. For this project, I'm using milk cotton yarn. You can choose any colors you like. You'll also need a hair clip base. Mine is a 6 linear water drop shape. I'm using a 2-meter crochet hook and some fabric glue or hot glue. We'll begin by attaching the yarn to the clip with a slip stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet, then chain 3. Now work a row of single crochets on the other side. Then chain 1 and crochet another row of single crochets just like on the other side. Now slip stitch, then chain 2. After that, work 6 half double crochets into the chain 3 space from earlier. Slip stitch, then chain 2. Skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next. Repeat this pattern until you reach the end. Finally, tuck the yarn tail into the back of your work. Now for the flower, work 5 single crochets into a magic ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Chain 3. In the same stitch, work 1 treble crochet. 1 double treble crochet. Chain 1, then slip stitch into the 2 loops at the base of the previous stitch to create a picot. Then work 1 treble crochet, chain 1, make a picot, and 1 double treble crochet. Finally, chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 5 times. Now use some yellow yarn to embroider the flower center. For the small flower, separate your yarn and use only 2 strands. Start with a magic ring. Chain 5. Then work back starting from the second chain. 1 single crochet. 2 half double crochets, and 1 single crochet. Slip stitch into the magic ring. Repeat this sequence 5 times to form 5 petals. Make a total of 3 flowers like this. For the leaves, use 2 strands of yarn. Chain 8. Then work back starting from the second chain. 2 single crochet, 4 half double crochet, in the last chain, work 1 single crochet, 1 slip stitch, and 1 single crochet. Then, continue on the other side, 4 half double crochet, two single crochet, and 1 slip stitch to finish. I tried using fabric glue, but it didn't hold very well for this part. I recommend using hot glue instead for a much stronger bond. And that's it. The hair clip is finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet projects. See you next time.